So here is the before of my model, and as you can see, my model has very long hair. Now, my model was tired of how long and heavy it was, so what we decided to do was take off about a foot off the length to make it much shorter, and layer it up. Now, at the longest point in the center back, based off of what we cut off approximately 12 inches. Now, here is me getting started in the haircut. And as you can see, I've taken a center section down the back, dividing the left side from the right side, and taken two A-line sections on each side, which now I'm combing the hair straight down to establish the length, to establish the outline. Once we've created and established the outline on both sides, we'll then go ahead and work in the layers. Now that the length and the outline has been completed, it is now time to start the interior layers of the haircut. So I've got a center section in the middle of the back of the head. As you can see, I'm combing the hair straight back and holding my fingers in a square shape so that I can cut some square layers, some long square layers into the hair. Now, I am going to take another section, which you can see right here, to the left of that section that I first just cut. And I'm going to over-direct the current section to the previous section to use the previous section as the guide for how short I should cut the current section. So I'm doing the left side first. Once I complete the interior layers on the left side, I will then do the exact same thing on the right side. Alright, so now I'm getting ready to cut the layers on the right side. As you can see, I'm taking a section, combing that hair to the section in the center, our very first section, which was our guide, and using that previous section as the guide. So I'm basically going to do the exact same thing on the right side that I just got done doing on the left side. So now that I've completed the interior layers, it is now time to cut the frame-to-face layers. So we're going to cut the frame-to-face layers to help lighten up the front. One of the purposes for the frame-to-face layers is to make it so that the front of the haircut isn't heavy and drags down on your model's face. You want that hair at the front of the face in many occasions to have volume, to lift up off their face. And so the frame-to-face layers helps that by lightening up the front. You're taking off that front corner and layering up that front section, which then creates a lot more lightness and a lot more volume around your model or client's face. Alright, so now we are coming closer to the end of the haircut. I've blew dry the hair dry, and I'm now just cross-checking the outline to make sure that the outline is nice and clean. And then once I've completed the outline, we'll pretty much be all done with the haircut. So we have officially come to the end of the haircut, and as you can see, taking off a lot of that length, as well as going through and layering up the hair, has made the hair a lot lighter. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys again so very much for watching.